Children, welcome to science class. So we have completed some part of the lesson, Manana. More than half of the lesson only we have completed. What we have learned yesterday? We have learned yesterday that litmus paper. How many types of litmus papers are there? There are two types. What are they? Blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Then how did this acids will react to litmus paper? Whenever the blue litmus paper changes to red litmus paper, then we can say that the particular substance is an acid. Whenever the red litmus paper is changed to blue litmus paper, then we can say that this substance is nothing but base. Okay, now I have told you already A and B. You keep it in your mind. Acids means changes from blue to red. Okay, now come on, take out page number 12. Indicator. Indicator. The strips of litmus paper change the color based on the nature of the material put on them. Like example, if you take lemon. Lemon is what? Acid. Acid means what? When you are keeping the blue litmus paper, on the lemon, cutted lemon, and what you can find, the blue changes into red. Means what? By seeing the change of the litmus paper from one color to the another color, you can say that whether it is an acid or a base they are telling you. Okay, these all are called indicators. They tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic. They are used extensively in studying the substances and their properties. Like example, if you are taking lemon only, we will take example. If it changes blue to red, we can say that is acid. What you can say from that? Acid is sour in taste because lemon also is sour in taste. And what we are doing? Experiment. And ఈ లిట్మస్ పేపర్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ వల్ల అదేంటిదో చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాం. టెస్ట్ చేసిన సబ్స్టెన్స్ కూడా ఏ టేస్ట్ లో ఉంటుంది కూడా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాం. Yes or no? So we are telling the properties also. Okay na? The next acidic nature. You may have experienced a burning sensation when bitten by an ant. When ant bites you, you will be feeling some sensation, burning sensation. Yes or no? Because it is having some acid called as formic acid. Yes or no? In the same way, snakes. If you take snakes, snake is having poison with them, such that to escape from the enemies. Even these ants also having some acid in their body, which releases when they bite us, which is nothing but the formic acid. The substances contain acids given in table 5. See the table 5, Nana. Acetic acid, vinegar. Citric acid, lemon and orange. Butyric acid, stale cheese. Lactic acid, battered milk, curd. Battered milk means whisk whisker will be there. With that whisk they will do that becomes into milk, the curd. Next, oxalic acid, spinach, tomato. Malic acid, apples. Tannic acid, tea. Oleic acid, olive oil. Stearic acid, fats. Tartaric acid, grapes and tamarind. Palmitic acid, palm oil. Ascorbic acid, amla. Uric acid, urine. This total table you have to by heart because this is very easy. You can by heart and you can send it back to me. The voice record you can send it back to me without saying. But you should not cheat yourself. If you are seeing and telling, then it is up to you. I am not cheated. You are cheating yourself. Okay. The next, apart from natural acids, there are certain acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, etc. They are prepared in the form of minerals. What they are telling, these we are getting from the mineral acids in these acids. Then how these acids are changes into bases will be learning here. Then how do you feel when you touch the soap? Cake of soap and some soap will be there when you remove the new cake. Soap, it is in the form of a cake. So they are telling that is cake of the soap. So if you take some soap and take some water in your hand and rub your fingers. If you rub the fingers, what happens? You feel some soapy touch, no? Some foam will be coming out. Yes or no? That only they are telling. You might have been observed that it is soapy to touch. The things which are soapy to touch are bases. The things which are sour in taste are acids. Okay, na? The substances which are soapy to touch are basic in nature. Some substances that are used in our daily life contains different bases. For example, soap, glass cleaners, etc. Various substances contain bases are listed below. See down, Nana. Come to the bases one. Already we have completed the table of acid. Now we will go to the table of base. Lime water, calcium hydroxide. Lime water means what? And calcium hydroxide means sodium will be there, no? That is the thing which is mixed with water. That's why it's called as lime water. But this lime water needs some days, 1 or 2 nights, so that it changes into lime water. Then glass cleaners, ammonia hydroxide. Soaps will be having what type of base? Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Then milk of magnesium hydroxide. Then let us do 5. Burn a small piece of magnesium ribbon by holding it with tongs. Magnesium ribbon will be there, one type of mineral magnesium is. That ribbon will be there. You have to catch that ribbon in the help of tongs. Tongs means what? Without catching with your hand, you'll be using some tongs. I don't know what you're telling Telugu. Once see the picture, you can understand. And you have to burn it using a matchstick. What happens? You have to catch the ash. ఏదైతే ఉంటుంది కదా బ్లాక్ కలర్ వన్ బయటకు వస్తుంది కదా, that you have to catch in a vessel they are telling, and you have to mix that with water, and you have to test with red litmus and blue litmus paper. What you will observe? Oxides of magnesium when dissolved with water form magnesium hydroxide. When magnesium is ribbon is mixed, ash is getting on, if you are mixing that with water, that changes into magnesium hydroxide. Similarly, when you mix potassium hydroxide, you get similarly if you are mixing potassium and sodium, you will get potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide, because these are somewhat soapy to touch. Itla foams like ostundannamata. That foam means what? Some cuff like thing will be coming when you rub the soap with your hand. Some foam will be coming, no? That type of things will be having when you are mixing this magnesium oxide with water. Then what you are getting, this is nothing but the base. Now we will do some indicator. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein are used to test bases. What they are telling? What they are telling in let us do 6 Nana. Take the substances that are given in table 3 and test them with phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is one type of chemical and methyl orange is also one type of chemical. We have to test these two chemicals using blue litmus papers and red litmus paper. And even what you have to do, you have to take some substances and add this with phenolphthalein and methyl orange. The change what you are getting will decide whether it is an acid or a base. Now come down to table, Nana. What they are telling? Colorless phenolphthalein or methyl orange. What they are telling? This phenolphthalein will be having two ways. One is colorless phenolphthalein and one is changes to pink. When it changes to colorless, when it is acid is added to this phenolphthalein. It changes to pink when and base is added to this phenolphthalein. Okay na? Then methyl orange what? Methyl orange is also one kind of chemical. We will think now. We'll take orange. Like example, if it is what we are taking substances is acid, this changes to red if it is an acid. Okay na? It changes to yellow if it is an base. Understanding? So what we are taking? First we'll take lemon. Lemon means what? Lemon is an acid. No, it is having citric acid. So acid means this methyl orange changes to which color? It changes to red color. As lemon is an acid, if it is an acid, it changes into colorless. Okay? Then we will take baking soda. Baking soda is what? Baking soda is a base. Whenever it is a base, it changes into yellow color, and it doesn't change into colorless, it changes into pink color. If you take next is saliva. Saliva is neither a base, neither an acid. So it doesn't changes into anything. Okay na? Next one what we have taken? We have taken lime water. Lime water means sunnam. Sunnam means what? It is a base. So if it is added, this base is added to methyl orange, it changes into yellow color because lime water is base. So if it is a base, it changes into which color, Nana? Pink color. So you have to complete this statement. This phenolphthalein is first and methyl orange is after. So see the board and write. As well in 7th class, you can understand clearly. Yes or no? Yes. Then next, this is last. I will stop. Again, I can continue by tomorrow. Do you believe that blood comes out of a lemon? Does blood comes out of the lemon? Some black magic is going on. You'll be thinking, is that one? No. What that man will do, the joker or this, what is that? Juggler or the magician. What he will do? He will dip the knife in the methyl orange, or he will dip in the hibiscus solution. Hibiscus solution means what? The flower itself is grinded and added water, that becomes a hibiscus solution. What we are telling? When methyl orange dipped with lemon, it changes to which color? Red color. Red is what? Red only, no? So the people who are the audience who are sitting there, they'll be thinking that, oh, whenever he is cutting the lemon, he is murdering the lemon and the real blood is coming out, they'll be thinking, but it is not correct. Some chemical reaction is going on. Like example, lemon is an acid, no? When lemon is an acid, reacts with methyl orange, it changes into red color. That is a simple trick there. Okay? We'll listen, see here. When a magician or a juggler cuts a lemon, blood flows out of it. Actually, he uses a knife dipped in methyl orange or hibiscus solution to cut the lemon. When methyl orange mixed with citric acid, what is other name for lemon? Citric acid. It turns to red, but it is not blood. In many places, we find people doing this and representing the magic. It is a magic only, no? Yes, it is not a magic, but it is a trick, logical trick. In our state, some are performing above science tips as black magic. They are saying that this is black magic and they are cutting in front of them. See, you are having some ghost in your house. See, he's cutting your daughter and he will cut that lemon and shows that blood flowing out of it. Means that is black magic and they will take more money from them. So that like these people are believing these superstitious beliefs. You have to tell them that is not that one. This is nothing but related to science. You have to explain them. Okay, na mantralu and chetabadi and banamati. Okay, na banamati and deceive the people. Deceive means cheat the people. Now you know this, no? You all know this, and you have to tell the people. You have to encourage them. Okay, na? Now this what I have told is only here. Methyl orange gives red color with acids. Methyl orange gives red color with acids and methyl orange gives yellow color with the base they are telling. And phenolphthalein changes to colorless. Changes to colorless with the acids and changes to pink color with the base they are telling. So next experiments are there. We will go by tomorrow. As it is big lesson, somewhat difficult for you to understand. Imagine what I am telling. If you are unable to understand, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.